one-handed carry. So you're going to be right beside the load, you're going to brace the core, you're going to do a mini squat, coming down, catch onto the handle, shoulder comes back, and then lifting straight. Now as I'm walking and keeping my hips forward, my glutes are squeezed to protect that lower back. I'm just walking in a nice straight line. And then to put it down, reverse that motion so everything is all locked in here. All you got to do is a mini squat and then